Well, we all have been there, using different moving averages that almost lag behind every market movement. So today, I'm going to introduce an instrument that's way smarter than your average moving average. Say hello to the Logarithmic Moving Average, or LMA for short. A next-level indicator that uses logarithmic math, yep, the fancy kind, to track trends with precision. Unlike those basic linear and exponential moving averages that everyone else uses, this one adapts to real market volatility and momentum, giving you a smoother, smarter way to follow price action in real time. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how LMA works, you'll know exactly when to use it, why it's different, and how it can seriously upgrade your trading game. Let's get into it. So the Logarithmic Moving Average, LMA, is a dynamic trend-following indicator that prioritizes recent price action while maintaining statistical significance. It uses advanced logarithmic weighting and logarithmic decay functions, a sophisticated price averaging system that adapts to market volatility and momentum conditions. Now, to get started with this indicator, you first of all head over to TradingView and load up whatever trading instrument you're interested in, your favorite stock or crypto pair. Then click on the Indicators button at the top, and in the search box, type in the Logarithmic Moving Average. You're looking for the one that was published by QuantAlgo. Go ahead and click on that to add it to your chart. Now let's talk about what these stunning colors actually mean. So when the price breaks above the center line and starts displaying this yellowish green color, this is when the market is strongly bullish. You'll see these spikes when price is trending up with strength. You will see the opposite when the price breaks below the center line, displaying a yellowish red color. This shows growing bearish momentum. The deeper the red, the stronger the downtrend. This is a strong sell signal zone or a place to protect long profits. Then we have this price threshold at the top here that whenever the price goes past it, the indicator will print a bullish signal, and the band of the indicator will be fully green, telling you that the price is at the premium and it is primed for reversal. The opposite happens when the band is below this threshold here and becomes fully red. The indicator will print a bearish signal, and looking at the price, you will know that the price is prime for reversal. Now, when you go to the setting of this indicator by clicking on this gear icon, here in the input section, we have the strategy preset. This is where you get to decide which of the presets you would want to use in the market according to your strategy. So you can see that here we have scalping presets, swing trading presets, trend following presets, and finally the mean reversion preset. And practically any setting you use here is what the indicator will use to print signals and also guide you as you navigate the financial market. There is no need to change anything down here because the indicator will usually apply the data according to the preset here. So we are going to continue with the default settings and then you will click OK. So how can we use this indicator to trade the financial market? Here is an example of how we can use this indicator to trade. So here on the chart, you can see that this red band has become fully red and it has gone below this red threshold as well. This usually means that the price is at its lowest level or discount, and that the buyers will start coming inside the market, and guess what? Immediately after that, the price reversed. So the logarithmic moving average gives you more than just a trend. It gives you timing, strength, and clarity, all in one beautifully designed oscillator. If you want to try this on your chart, head over to TradingView, search for LMA QuantAlgo, and test it out. This broker right here is one of the best Forex brokers in the Forex industry that offers both Forex and synthetic pairs. If you want to trade correctly and not miss any market move, this is the right Forex broker for you. So click on the link in the description of this video to register with the Derive Forex broker and trade efficiently. Go ahead and join our Telegram channel and get access to high-quality expert-curated trade signals every single week. But that's just the beginning. For those who want even more, our VIP signal channel delivers the most premium signals with even higher accuracy and more frequent trade opportunities. Don't settle for average trades. Join a community that wins consistently. So, click on the link in the description below to join now and start capitalizing on the market like a pro. If you found value in this breakdown, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us to keep sharing these advanced trading insights on YouTube. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll personally help you out. And stay tuned. I've got another powerful concept coming up in the next video to take your trading even further. Until then, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep learning.